welcome back to my video. Before we go any further, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please me I beg you to like this video, share it and subscribe. Without any further ado, by the title you will know what I'll be doing today. I'm gonna do a Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna review some products, some cleaning products rather, that you could use, that you could get from the Dollar Tree. Only $1, people. $1 you could get at the dollar store, at the Dollar Tree. And I mean, with all these things going on right now, you don't need to spend a pack of money, because really and truly you can't even go in at the store them and get the things them when you want. But you can go in a certain stores that you know people not gonna really check for go in for buy a cleaning product. So I mean, Dollar Tree is one of the store where you can go in get some products, some cleaning product. It's affordable, it's good, them doable, and why not? Do your thing, girl. So without any further ado, these are my products that I bought at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, toothbrush. You can get toothbrush at the Dollar Tree. See, two of them, only $1. Everybody use Fabuloso at them yard. Everybody clean them house with Fabuloso. So a bottle of Fabuloso, $1. Sometimes people don't have the money, man. I mean, not all the time I have the money for go BJ's or Casco go buy the big bottle. Why not $1? Just a regular awesome shower and bathroom cleaner. Spray it in the bathroom, clean off the wall. Good, may I tell you. Work miracle. All enough to do, go in the Dollar Tree and get it. Nothing adding to that. Just some simple little product, $1. This. Everybody use trash bag. And them towel. Every single body use trash bag. And I may alone use it. 14 of them, only $1. Sometimes you have the whole heap of money for buy the $6, the $8, the $10 for buy the big box of trash bag. Why not go in at the Dollar Tree and get the trash bag them? And it work the same way. The whole of them work the same way. And that one they scented and it good. So why not buy it? Another tile cleaner. All you do, spray the tile, wipe out the place, and use your scour or your Scotch Brite, whichever one you're using in the bathroom. Your scour, your Scotch Brite, your rag, or what them call a washcloth. Your washcloth, whichever one you use, you spray it on the tile and you clean and you're good to go again. And it have bleach. That is the good thing, it have bleach in it, so it still a sanitize the place. Everybody know about Ajax. You use Ajax in the kitchen, you use Ajax in the bathroom. Everybody know about Ajax. Everybody should have an Ajax in a them house. And if you don't want Ajax, I'm gonna go for the next thing one you can use instead of the Ajax, because the Ajax have a little bit of harsh chemical scent. So maybe you don't want to use the Ajax, you want to use something else. I'm gonna go for that one there. Sure, no one you can use if you don't want to substitute it for the Ajax. But it and the Ajax are basically the same thing and it work the same. This, everybody's supposed to have this in a them house. You see, this is the balm.com. I'm come up in the camera so one can see it. Because you see, this is miracle. It clean the home, business, auto, or boat. It say remove blood stain, grease, wine, liquor, gum, oil, glue, coffee, pet stain, some inks, fresh paint, varnish, hair dye, food stain, grape juice, berry juice, and many more. And a lie me I tell, when me use this on my kitchen floor, cause I don't know how the kitchen something go when I wanna do fry. Only know how that thing they go. And when me use it on my kitchen floor, sometimes me I spray it on my stove. Good to go. Me no need no grease cleaner. This is my grease cleaner. Work miracle. I want me spray it in a spray buckle and spray it in a bathroom. Wow, what me say my tile in my bathroom? Pretty? What pretty so when you spray all this? I'm going to tell you. Nothing normal. Look on them. In the Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree have a lot more things. Them have all the small buckle again. Yeah? Them have the small buckle again. Them have the small buckle again. Them have Dawn dishwashing liquid. Them have what other rest I want them name? Them have the Ajax dishwashing liquid. Them have Palmolive. Them have a lot. My daughter have. Me I go for 2 more something now. Come show you. Me I go for the other something. The Carmet with the same thing as Ajax, but it not that strong as the Ajax. Like as in the scent wise, like you can inhale it. But me I go for it. It work the same way as the Ajax. Is basically the same thing. Them do the same job. It's just that one substance stronger than the other one. Something in the Ajax, the bleacher, whatever what they put in the Ajax is just so strong. So me I go for that. Just give me a minute and I will be right back. So yeah guys, I'm back. So they have the spray one, right? So this one, it says multi-surface spray cleaner. So you can clean your bathroom, you can clean your kitchen, you can clean your fridge, you can clean your stove, and it show you, and it said also cut grease. So this one, no see if you can see right there. So see all the places where them clean, and this one is a multi-surface cleaner. But yeah, this is the same. This I just pulled it today. I opened it today actually because I wanted to clean the bathroom. So I opened this today because the Ajax, I was using Ajax to finish. Anyways, so it's basically the same thing. It's a powder, same thing as Ajax. Like the two of them is the same thing. The only difference is just the name. It's just the one of them have this have a different name, but it basically do the same thing. See, it clean the kitchen sink and the toilet bowl, sink and tub tile. Let me see what I want to say. Think of the same thing this say. No, it not have. It just say direction, wet surface, sparkle, Ajax, clean freely, rub lightly with sponge to make a paste, clean and rinse, use Ajax. Alright, this one will tell you exactly where and where to clean, but you know you can use Ajax for anything basically. You can use the Ajax in your floor, on the tile. You can use it for your stove, it depends. You can use it for your stove, you use it in your kitchen sink. Throw some in there, you clean it down and make sure it's shine and pretty, and you know it's good to go again because Ajax a bleach, it have bleach in it, so you know say once you sanitize that it good. So that's all I have to say. Oh, and this, my daughter love it. I only find this sour patch. I don't know, for some reason I only can find this in the Dollar Tree, and my daughter love it. When I tell you, say me all have to buy 3, 4, 5 box, cause Dollar Tree is a place sometimes you go in there, you can't see things them. So if you get them, just grab them, because sometimes you go in there, for all months, you go in there, you can't find it. For all months I go in there, and I can't find this to the baby. And she love it. Every time she go in there, it's like she knows say that store they allow it sell. Every time I go in there, mommy, I want popsicle, I want popsicle, I want popsicle, mommy, popsicle. So when I go in a Dollar Tree, I do say I have to look for this. And any Dollar Tree I go in, I have to go in there and look for popsicle. I don't know why the Sour Patch them they sell anywhere else. Like I don't see them in a supermarket. I don't see it nowhere else. I don't know why, just in the Dollar Tree. But 5 of them come in the box and it's for $1. And it look the same as how it is right here. So, and it's sour and it's sweet and it tastes really good. Because me sit down and eat it too. So yeah, you can go in there and get your Sour Patch. And like I say, all of the good things them in a Dollar Tree. And I just flanke, plan in a Dollar Tree. You have the good things them. And listen, I see people buy this in a dollar in other stores for $3, $1 in a Dollar Tree, and it not small and it heavy. It heavy at the regular size. It heavy. Yeah, I also have I don't have none now. Me use it about 2 days ago. Arm & Hammer carpet cleaner. Oh my god, our carpet, it go up on carpet and your rug or whatever. That it in a Dollar Tree. I know people who buy it other places for like $2, $3. Like go in a Dollar Tree, go get it. Them have it in there. Them always have it $1. Nothing wrong if you shop in a Dollar Tree. You just shop in there. Nobody now have to know say a Dollar Tree you shop. Unless you tell them. But yeah, all of them something that in a Dollar Tree is only $1. So guys, this is the ending of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share and comment. And the video then please comment and share my video so your friend can tell you no other